See, we're at like Hampton Inn. And today, oh hey, we got some series 5s. I think these are hydro. Stopping at 2. These things sound like going up.
Okay.
Okay, that's okay. Oh, stopping again.
Hello. Yeah, thank you.
It's busy around here, huh? When are they supposed to be done?
October.
Oh, we have some room.
Yeah, whole first floor right now hasn't, the rooms haven't been started.
Go ahead.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too.
Found a Otis Series 5 finally. This is at the airport location. As you can tell, this place is going under renovation right now. Alright. This is unfortunately gonna have to be it until we get off. And there it goes. That's it. Bye.